Okay, good morning here. We're going to be addressing today, you're with Michael Crosby, I'm the gubernatorial candidate, at gubernatorial candidate at YouTube. Now, the thing here is we need to address a lot of important things. There's a lot of things that have happened. I want to address fire people. I'm going to be addressing police officers, sheriffs, any kind of civil servants, as well as any other voter. Now, we've got some stuff that happened, some laws have been broken. We've got intrusion in elections. We got a lot of evidence. Okay, we have enormous violence. If you have looked at any of my sites, you've probably noticed I've talked about the enormous violent attacks against the archives. There's also the museum element, by the way. We're talking artifacts 900 years old. We're talking about ultra rare documents, ultra rare books. It's quite an interesting thing. So yeah, okay, I admit it. I'm an omnibus. One of the reasons that I'm an asset billionaire, but as far as the cash thing goes, that's a bit different. Now, attacking on archives is a major violation, and when you're dealing with historical documents and items that pertain to the Constitution and the nation, you're talking about treason territory here. When you have people who are accepting foreign money and what they are doing is attacking archives. Okay, enough that having been said, let's talk about the brass tacks here. Let's get down to the brass tacks. Now, which candidates are going to potentially make you $10 million to $80 million immediately? I mean, immediately. Okay, let's get this reality right on the board, because the reality is there is no current gubernatorial candidate running for office in California, or to my knowledge, any place that is going to do what I'm going to do. Because I've done a lot of legal research. Let me explain this legal research. You got burned, okay? I want to talk about the fairness of your personal assets. I want to talk about what your family members did before you were born. And this has to do with people opening up their wallets and participating in something called the Great Land Purchase. Now, if you go to any big deal today, you respond, you go, and there's a bunch of guys pitching a startup, and they say, hey, look, we got no money. We need your money to basically make this huge land purchase. That means you would be buying in and getting stock in a land corporation. Now, our forefathers originally stated in various types of historical